So I got the cloud coach from Alberobelo. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the top questions I was seeing, answer those for you, and help you out with your purchase. Question I was seeing is, how long does it take to assemble? Is the assembly straightforward? Second question I was seeing is, can you use this if it's not sitting up against a wall? And the third question I was seeing is, how comfortable is it to lounge on or sit on? So I'm going to answer all those like I said and hopefully help you out with your purchase. But let's get on the first question. What was the assembly time like for this couch? So I got it assembled in honestly like 10 minutes. It comes fully assembled, basically like all the parts do. There's just 4 pieces to it: arms, what you sit on, and then your backrest. So all you have to do is just slide them into place and you're good to go. I did most of it by myself, but at one point when you put on the back, you could probably do it by yourself, but if you have somebody there to help you, it makes it a whole lot easier. And now for the second question, which is, do you need to set this up against a wall? So you do not. So as you can see here, I do not have it set up against the wall, and I do have a video going in the corner so you can see the back side. And that's what I like about this couch so much, is it's the same pattern all the way around. I've demoed a bunch of different couches like these, and a lot of times in the back it's just some like blank piece of wood or something that doesn't look good, so you really do need to set it up against a wall. Where this one you do not, and it has a solid wood frame all the way around it, so you can have enough support, lean back on it. It's not like a full foam couch it's going to give or anything. This is solid wood with foam on top, so you can have that support if you don't have it against a wall. And now for the final question, is this comfortable to lounge on? So personally, I think it is very comfortable. Like I said, solid wood frame, but then they do have thick cushions on top, so you get that support, but also a cushiony type feel. And I love the depth on it too. So I'm 6 feet tall, about 200 pounds. I've had smaller couches in the past where you can't sit on it. But as you can see, I can sit all the way back, and my feet have more than enough room. It doesn't come with an ottoman, but I would love an ottoman to match with this. I just got to find one online. You could definitely lounge on this. And in terms of laying maybe sideways, definitely got your TV over there. Like I said, I'm 6 feet tall. I'll put 2 pillows there. I can lay down on it like this, watch TV comfortably, stretch all the way out, and I am good to go. So overall, I think it's a great couch for the price. Like I said, it was super simple to put together. I love the look of it. I showed it to a couple people. They think it's so cool, asking me where I got it. So I'm a very happy customer. I give it 2 thumbs up.